My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Bgzq. Bgzq is a new ransomware attacking many Windows computers these days, and this ransomware is from the Bgzq family. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and then appends a special Bgzq extension to the file names. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office data, all other documents. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Bgzq ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware, as I said, is called Bgzq because it encrypts files and appends a special Bgzq extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the data anymore. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I'll just show you how damaging this ransomware is. And I'll give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. So before the ransomware's attack, as I said, there are no troubles opening any file types. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Bgzq ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The files have been given this Bgzq extension. The ransomware also reveals a special ransom note that indicates that users need to pay a special ransom. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So do not waste your money. Do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus by going to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential for proper detection of this ransomware. So do not skip this very important step. After the antivirus database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way, your data will always be under the protection. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.